Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be the final part of my Zara haul. I know there's a bit of a gap between the first ones I did and this one just because I was ill, but I have now kind of recovered. I have all my energy back and decided to wear this beautiful green dress. I love the colour green on me. This is from Ted Baker, but I actually have two of these dresses, so I am selling the other one. I will put a link to my Depop and Vinted down in the description bar. But yeah, beautiful dress. But let's see what are the pieces that I got from Zara and how I can kind of style them to make them fun. Yeah, let's get into this video. The first item is the one that I was most excited about. It is this blue chiffon dress. As you can see, the zip is broken. The price tag that was stated was £110 or £109, 99p. And I think for 100 and something pounds, the zip should not be broken. Quality of it is not £100. I think it should have been like at maximum £60 before the sale. But yeah, it's not nice. It's not made nice. Zara does these things where I've noticed that they've been putting up their prices for certain stuff. Other things have been like there's a small price increase, of course, with inflation. But I've been noticing they've been trying to push away, I guess, from their image of being like cheap. I think other people have talked about this as well, and they explain this in greater detail. But the problem is some of their pieces, the quality is just not there. Like some pieces really have great quality, but a lot of pieces it's still giving fast fashion. You can't be expecting me to spend £100 on a dress but give me fast fashion quality, you know what I mean? Like little things like having the thread still left on, broken zips. This is the second item now with the broken zip from this haul, and yeah, we're not feeling it. Quality, yeah, was not great. I don't like really anything about this. It has a slit on the side. It would be really nice in summertime. I think with a steam, this would look really, really good in photos and in images, but in person I don't think it's really worth it. And lining wise, oh, it's not really light. It's like really short underneath. I don't know why they've done that, and they haven't really actually lined it. I guess they could argue because of the slit, but yeah, this is not nice. No. The color is beautiful. I love the color. Material on the outside is viscose and inside is polyester. They could have just done 100% viscose for in and out, but yeah, this is a no. Please don't get this. I have to say, Zara does a really good job on this style of dresses. Kind of really simple, stretchy material. Yeah, it looks really nice on. Stitching is pretty decent. I can't really say much about it. I'm pretty happy. The colour looks nice. I think it looks great on my figure. I believe this is how it's worn in the model, but you know, Zara things can be a bit funny. I don't know. Because I guess it depends on how you want to style it. You could do something like that. You could mess around with the fabric and do whatever makes you feel comfortable. This is what I find the most comfortable. But I like this. This is actually really, really nice. Stretch wise, in terms of walking, it's okay. I don't feel restricted. Pretty sure I got this in a size small. The previous price was at £30 before the sale, which I think is actually a decent price to pay, since I do like the composition of it and I think it looks really nice. I like the colour of it as well. I'm not sure what the sale price is currently now. Of course, I'll put links in the description bar for every item in order, but yeah, I do like the dress. Is there a zip? I don't think so. I don't think you need a zip though. It stretches enough to get in, no problems. In my defense, when I was buying these things, it was like Christmas, Boxing Day or something like that. So I was in that festive season. Festive thoughts. This is not nice. You can see loose threading. The corners don't look very nice, and it has not been lined everywhere. They've only done it like at the bottom, which okay is the most important part, but like the arms, they haven't really properly lined them. I do like the velvet at the ends. That is actually quite a nice design feature, but ooh, I did not like this at all. This is not nice. For £50, which is what it was quoted before the sale, wow, this is not £50 worth of money. There is a zip at the back, which it does allow for easy access in and out. This is my thing with Zara. You can buy 50 items and then you can only maybe like 10 that you think, okay, the value for the money is kind of there, or you can argue. The quality is pretty decent, okay, and I actually like it. But I'm finding with a lot of stuff from Zara, and this is the reason why I stopped shopping from them for such a long time, is that they're just not, they're not there all the time, and they need to be there more often. The style of it is okay. You have an elastic waist, which is really great in terms of festive times, or whenever you're going to wear this. If you're going to go and eat or drink and you kind of get a bloated stomach, that's really good, because I just feel like you don't want anything restrictive around your waist when you are eating or going out. This would be great, of course, for meeting up with the girls, going for drinks. I'm going to try and style this a little bit with a blazer and show you how I would wear it, although I would not keep this personally. I don't like it, but I'll be back. Now, although I don't like the buttons on this jacket, I would style it up with a blazer. I love the colour purple with the black. I think it just gives it a bit more jazz up feel. I really like that. I just don't like the buttons for this look. But yeah, one thing I noticed when I was putting on this really scratches your crotch area, like the inner bit of your thighs. And look, the fabric was, the sequins were even sticking together. I don't think I don't think this is worth it, and I don't like it at all. I would return this. And I just received my Amazon parcel. I have to say, Amazon is really good in terms of the delivery. Like, they're quick. I was pretty sure I ordered this yesterday, and I didn't even do, like, I don't have Amazon Prime or anything, but I do live near 2 huge Amazon warehouses, so that may help. Anyways, the next outfit is this blazer again. Now, what I've done is added some pieces that I also own myself, but I'm sure you can find similar items in your own wardrobe or on the Zara website. I will try and have a look. So what I've done is I did this knit from M&S. Nothing special about it. I do want to try and get some cashmere knits and stuff, because I just feel like I really want to invest my money in some good quality items, especially in this country, which is so cold. And then I've added these sequin trousers as well that I got from Marks and Spencer's. They're not that great quality because they do scratch me. I don't know if they are any sequin trousers or any sequin items that don't really scratch. But I think it just comes down to the lining. If the lining is good, then you won't feel it. I'm sure Beyonce's ones don't scratch her. But what I do like about these, they actually do have real pockets. I love real pockets. But I thought, yes, this would be a lovely look if you want to just meet up with friends, go for drinks, go on a dinner date. But sometimes you don't want to wear a dress. I'm a dress girl. I own, I think it's 180 now since I did my recent clear out dresses, and I love my dresses, especially on holiday. But sometimes I do just want to wear some trousers and just keep it casual, and I think this is a really nice look if you want to dress up but at the same time be a bit more relaxed. The blazer itself, I love the colour. The buttons, I'm not the biggest fan of them. Don't quite like the design on the buttons. Would have liked it if they kept it a bit more plain. In terms of their sewing and if they're going to be sturdy, they're okay. I would definitely always keep a little basket with a needle, threads. If you can, if you go into the supermarket, they have like those threads that are different colours, like little ones, like they'll have red, green, all those different colours, and then a little pack of needles and scissors. I would always keep that handy because buttons from most places fall off. They just don't really put them on nicely. And yeah, really nice colour. The fit of the blazer is really, really nice. I like the structure of it. I think it sits well on my body. And the buttons are real, which is also great. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I can't remember how much it was, and of course the price on the tag is going to be different to the price currently because it is the Zara sale. But yeah, I really like this outfit, and I think this is really quite fun. Pop on some heels if you want to dress it up, or you can put some trainers. Well, all I can say about this item is it does not fit me. It was a struggle to get it on, and as you can see by the hips and the arms, it's a size small. I did not even bother to try and put up the zip because it does not fit me, and I've accepted that. I don't even like it actually on. I think it looks a bit on the cheap side. It feels a bit Primark-y. I know, I've noticed now, Zara, anything like tweedish, tweed material, does not last, and doesn't actually look as nice as it does online. The last time I think I actually purchased one and kept one was a long time ago. Maybe when I went ice skating, that was like what, 2019, 18, 2018. Yes. Ooh. So around that time, I think I got a jacket as well, and I learnt my lesson there. Yeah, Zara tweed, sorry, it's just a complete fail. I've struggled to find things that last. It's not that, like the other dress that was knit tweed-ish, that was very, very pretty, but like I argued, is it going to last, or do you have to put so much maintenance and, you know, make to keep it looking nice? I don't have the time. Anyways, this is not fitting, I don't like it. I think it's really ugly. I got it in a size small, and as you've seen, I've put on other things that are size small, but this is too small. Now I know what you're thinking, this looks like something that you'll find in your grandma's wardrobe, and I actually don't even like it because the fabric is horrible and the belt doesn't even work. However, I will still endeavour to make this outfit look nice, so if you give me 1 minute, I'm going to go and get some items from my closet and we're going to jazz this up. Now, first and foremost, every woman needs this in her closet. Good quality leather boots. I don't think you're going to be able to see the bottom. I'll have to adjust the camera because of the way my setup is. But yeah, everyone needs good quality real leather boots. I got these from Borden. Although they're not quite black, in my opinion, they're a really dark brown. But they are great, great quality. I've also opened up the dress in terms of the buttons at the bottom to make it a little bit more fun. The belt is still giving me problems. Just doesn't stay. Next would be the jacket. Now this is from River Island. I wanted a black jacket, I've been desperate for one and just purchased this. However, I do want to upgrade to something 100% wool. So put that to the back. Okay, and the final piece, the bag. I actually don't have the chain, I just realised. I keep them separately. But this is how I would make this look much more fun. This looks so much better now than just that simple grandma's dress. Let me see if I can adjust the camera as well. Well, you're probably not going to be able to see my face now, but there is the look on the bottom so you can see the boots as well. Okay, another dress that's just been let down by the zip. I can't zip this dress up. At the end of the day, I don't think there's point buying a dress if you can't zip it yourself. Sometimes you're not going to be lucky to have that boyfriend or that friend around, and I can't zip this dress up. It's the way it's been structured here. Well, you could also argue it's probably too big, too small for me as well. Would I have liked the style anyway? Probably not. It's just not that great. It's actually pretty well made, I actually have to say. Great structure, and I like that they've done the, what's this called, bonding. Maybe I'm just a bit offended the fact that I get things that are size small in Zara, and because I am technically a size small, and some pieces fit me perfectly fine, and then other pieces are basically saying that I'm not a size small, because that's basically what it is. I can't zip it up, and it's probably because it's too small. But I wouldn't like it anyway, so who cares? This video has been so annoying with the amount of zip quality issues I've had with Zara. Like, it's when you put the item on and you try and zip it up, it seems like the zip does not want to go up. But when you know, lay it down flat, it's fine. But yeah, zip quality control has been... I've left this bag out because this would be... I love this bag. I'm going to do maybe a video about the bag by itself, but if you're looking for a good quality, well-made bag that isn't going to break the bank, because, oh my gosh, I saw the price of the Chanel bag, the classic flap, in like medium, and it was like £7,000. And I'm pretty sure I remember when it was like £4,000, and that was not even that long ago, maybe like 3-4 years ago. And I just think it has been, it's just a bit ridiculous, because when you hear, I don't own one, but what I've heard is that the quality is not there, like the craftsmanship is not there, it's not always 100% handmade, machine made, and like even the stitching can be uneven. So like if I'm going to pay for that amount, then I kind of need the quality to be like the best in the world, you know what I mean? Anyways, if you're looking for something that is well made and won't break the bank, I have this Aspinal London bag. It's really great. I think it's a great little like dinner bag. Listen, all bags, they're going to have their problems. I think this one, it actually doesn't line up properly, or maybe I haven't closed it. Okay, I just didn't close it properly. I was going to say it's not lining up properly. Actually no, it doesn't line up properly. But this bag was, we got it in the sale, it was $4.50 in the sale, and my mom actually bought it for me. But I think for a decent quality bag that you can wear out for dinner, it's a good option, and it just, you can wear it with the chain or without, and I think it's really well structured and pretty well made. It has its faults as well, but all bags have their faults, but at least this one won't break the bank. It's 10% of the cost. So yeah, this is the next dress from Zara. Really, really pretty. I actually like this dress. The zip was a bit of a problem. Didn't like the fact that it was a bit of a struggle to get it on. This would be great for dinner. No real critiques I can say. The fabric is okay. These things, I usually just cut them off because I will just rest the dress like over the handle. And yeah, I like it. I think it sits on my body really, really nice. I can't remember the price, but I'll put a link in the description bar. But yeah, that's basically the end of the haul. Am I keeping anything from this haul? Probably not. Probably not. I just don't like the quality, especially of the zips. And nothing really is like, wow, I need this. And that's what I want to already do with Zara, because I have so many clothes now, and I've done a massive clear out. And as I say, I wanted to spend a little bit extra on getting a little bit better quality.